Welcome to Houston, Texas, the fourth most populated city in the United States and a vibrant hub close to the Gulf of Mexico. If you're planning to move in or out of this bustling city, you'll need professional assistance. That's where 3 guys in a truck come in. Moving can be overwhelming, but with our experienced team, you can rest easy knowing that your belongings are in good hands. From the moment our movers arrive, we're dedicated to providing a seamless experience. Our moving time starts as soon as our team arrives. Typically, for a fully furnished room, expect the move to take between 1 to 2 hours. Keep in mind, factors like stairs or elevators may affect this timing. Whether you're moving locally or long distance, we offer a variety of services to meet your needs, including packing, loading, unloading, and even specialized handling for delicate items like pianos and antiques. With over 10,000 successful moves in Houston, we've established a reputation for excellence. More than 95% of our customers report high satisfaction with their moving experience. So why work with 3 guys in a truck? We're licensed, insured, and bonded. Our respectful and professional team is a member of the BBB, committed to providing the best service possible. Ready to start your move? Contact us for a free estimate and let our experts help you plan your next big step. Call us at 888-202-0036 or fill out our fast quote form online.